Unlock a whole new level of KPOP connection by understanding every Weverse post, live stream, and fan interaction. First, let's acknowledge the elephant in the room: Weverse's built-in translation. Look for the globe icon, usually located near the post or comment you want to understand. Click it to see if a translation is available. Keep in mind, this isn't always available for every piece of content. Next up, browser extensions. My personal favorite is Google Translate. Head to the Chrome Web Store or your browser's extension marketplace and search for Google Translate. Once found, install it. Now, navigate to Weverse in your browser. When you encounter text you can't read, simply right-click on the page and select Translate to English or your preferred language. The extension will automatically translate the text on the page. Lastly, let's talk apps. Papago is another excellent translation tool, especially helpful on mobile. Download it from your app store. You can copy and paste text from Weverse into Papago for translation, or even use its image translation feature for photos. Just point your camera at the text within the Weverse app, and Papago will overlay the translated text in real time. And that's it. With these tips, you'll never miss out on the latest updates and inside jokes from your favorite artists. Now go forth and connect. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more KPOP tips.